Welcome back to the channel, car lovers. Today, we're going back in time to explore one of the most elegant and mechanically advanced automobiles of the pre-war era, the 1934 Bugatti Type 57. This isn't just a car, it's rolling art, with engineering way ahead of its time. Let's dive into the design, the craftsmanship, the performance, and why the Type 57 still captivates collectors nearly a century later. Exterior. The Type 57 debuted in 1934, created under the guidance of Jean Bugatti, son of the legendary Ettore Bugatti. From the very first glance, the car oozes elegance. The long, flowing fenders, the sweeping lines, and the unmistakable Bugatti horseshoe grille, it's a visual masterpiece. This particular model you're looking at features the iconic vented spats over the rear wheels, long bonnet, and Art Deco-inspired curves. Many Type 57s were coach-built, which means no two are quite the same. Designs from coach builders like Gangloff, Latourner et Marchand, and the famous Adelante Coupe variant added even more style to an already beautiful base. Even parked, this car looks like it's in motion. And the two-tone paint job. That's period correct and pure class. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by the unmistakable aroma of aged leather and polished wood. The interior of the Type 57 is all about craftsmanship. Real wood dashboard, hand-stitched leather seats, and beautifully crafted gauges with delicate bezels. Every dial, every switch, every stitch was done by hand. It's minimalist by modern standards, but every detail was placed with purpose and elegance. The steering wheel is large, because it had to be. There's no power steering here, just raw connection between you, the car, and the road. And listen to this door close, that's craftsmanship. Performance. Under the hood lies a marvel of engineering, a 3.3-liter inline-8 engine, producing around 135 horsepower in its original form. That might not sound like much today, but in 1934, it was enough to push this car to a top speed of over 95 miles per hour, incredible for its time. Later versions, like the Type 57S and 57SC, pushed that performance even further with superchargers and lighter chassis designs. But even in its standard form, the Type 57 was smooth, powerful, and refined. It featured a 4-speed manual transmission, independent front suspension, and drum brakes all around. It was a grand tourer in the truest sense, meant to devour miles in style and comfort. It's surprisingly easy to drive. You feel everything, yet it doesn't fight you. It's like the car is having a conversation with the road, and you're just lucky enough to listen in. The 1934 Bugatti Type 57 wasn't just a car, it was a statement. It showcased what happens when art meets engineering, when design meets performance. Nearly 90 years later, it's still one of the most collectible and respected pre-war automobiles in existence. Whether you're a vintage car collector, a fan of European automotive history, or just someone who appreciates beauty on wheels, the Bugatti Type 57 is a true icon. If you enjoyed this trip through time, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more classic car content, and let us know in the comments, what's your dream pre-war car? Thanks for watching. More classic legends coming soon. Subscribe now.